Another Central Texas long-term care facility is being sued by a worker claiming wrongdoing in its response to the pandemic. This comes just a month after the family of a certified nurse aide, Maurice Dotson, filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the nursing home where he had worked. As the death toll continues to rise, the nursing home industry is now pushing for legal immunity. KXAN's Avery Travis has more.
Gone to window visits and seen their mother emaciated, hadn't eaten for a week, lying naked on the floor.
The AARP is more concerned than ever hearing reports about nursing home care.
They haven't let any inspectors in, they haven't let family members in, and then we're going to give them immunity from lawsuits too.
So far, 25 states have granted different protections to hospitals, nursing homes, doctors, and nurses. Texas has not.
We're in this no man's land of standard of care, doing the best we can to navigate through this very difficult circumstance.
John Opelt represents one of the 7 Texas healthcare organizations who wrote a letter to the governor, arguing providers shouldn't have to worry about a flood of lawsuits as they care for patients. They're also asking any lawsuits that are filed be delayed until September.
These frontline workers should stay on the front line, helping patients, helping residents, as opposed to sitting in on depositions.
Lawyers for Maurice Dodson's family argue historically the push for healthcare immunity hasn't been about the workers at all.
What it is corporations looking for immunity.
They noted many homes have been doing everything they can with testing and PPE to protect workers and residents. But they say many are not, and in Dodson's case, need to be held accountable.
You knew to a certainty that a deadly new virus, COVID-19, was going to come banging on your door. Were you going to invite it in so it could stalk your residents in the hallways like a hungry tiger, or were you going to bar the door?
In Austin, Avery Travis, KXAN News.
The attorneys for Dodson's family say there is no update yet to their case. The 7 healthcare organizations that sent that letter say they are not asking for protections in cases of willful negligence or intentional harm done to a patient. They sent it in April, and they say they still have not heard back from the governor's office. Liability protections for businesses has been a debate since reopening started around the country, and it's caught the eye of lawmakers in Washington. Just last month, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said he would push to include liability protections for businesses. He argues without protection from lawsuits, it could slow down reopening. On the other side of this debate, labor advocacy groups say those protections could lead to businesses not doing enough to keep their employees safe. According to a COVID-19 lawsuit tracker from the law firm Hunton, Andrews & Kurth, 198 complaints have been filed in Texas. They include claims about a lack of personal protective equipment and exposure to COVID-19 at work.